In this video, I'm trying to restore the luster and the sheen of these Kobe shoes. My left shoe, I got it a little bit dirty, and you can sort of see that the luster has been kind of dulled down a little bit. If you take a closer look, it's a little dull compared to what it should look like. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some nail polish lacquer and paint each individual scale. So I've already done half of the shoe, and this is what it looks like. So you can tell the difference already. This is with the lacquer, and then this is the remaining side that needs to be completed. Here's the finished product. Just after painting, you can see that there's a nice shine to all of these individual scales. In terms of cleaning the soles, I'm using something called soft scrub, and this does a really great job of getting rid of stubborn stains. If you have like a discolored sink or discolored bathtub, this stuff will get it out. So toothbrush, a little bit of soft scrub, and you can see I've done this part already. I've already done this part, and you can see where I stopped right there at the end of the word phenomenon. So I'm going to continue on with the entire sole. So here's what the soles look like after scrubbing. I've done at least 3 rounds of scrubbing, and I've worked in small sections at a time. You can see that it's pretty much cleaned up a lot of the rubber here. So basically what's left now is to glue the sole back to the shoe. So I did a little bit of research, and I found a product called Weldwood Contact Cement, which I found some people on YouTube have also used to glue their shoe. And the way it works is you apply it on both surfaces that you want to adhere together. So essentially, I'm going to apply glue on this entire bottom sole, and then glue on the entire bottom part of the shoe. So you're gonna wait like 10 to 15 minutes for the glue to dry, and once it dries, it should be dry to the touch. I should be able to touch it with no problem. And then once you have glue on both surfaces, once you contact them, it should create a permanent bond. All right, so about 24 hours later, this is the final result. So hopefully this glue, once it sets completely, once it's done, I'll never have to deal with any soles coming off anymore. So that's it. In the end, that's the finished product there. I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I've got a lot of DIY projects that I'm doing and would love to share with you. So thanks for watching.